Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Bold Creek Homestead. And this week we have poured the concrete. So we had a big milestone this morning. We finally got the slab poured, and I am first time DIY slab pour, and it was a big task, but we got it done. Had a good little crew, two good guys, and my best friend came and helped me. And oh look, there's got some handprints in there. First step we did, we backed the truck up here, and we poured the concrete, and we used a big long screed board, and we screeded all the concrete, pulled it all this way. Then we came across sideways and pulled. We used the bull floated the whole thing, and then after that, we basically started hand troweling this thing because I wanted a nice smooth finish. I didn't want a broom finish for the shop, and we made a couple passes, 2 or 3 passes, went around, and man, it came out really good. I'm super happy with it, and it was a good little project. So now that that's done, we can move forward, and now tomorrow, this whole weekend, I'll start on getting the roof up. And I'll be building the back lean-to, and soon I'll be enclosing this thing in. So y'all stay tuned, and let's keep getting this thing built. Give us a like and a follow at the Bold Creek Homestead.